Welcome brother sa Pinoy
Hello
Review.
everyone!
All right.
This is my first time in this channel of Kuya Perds.
Okay, so
I don't know what to say, but you know, I'm happy indeed kasi my long lost
Friend.
long time friend are with me now.
the prodigal friend. Okay, brother.
With her wife.
Okay.
Okay,
Kwentuhan mo nga kami, saan tayo ngayon?
okay, we are here now po sa Abu Dhabi City.
Okay.
It is the capital city of United Arab Emirates.
Okay.
So, ito na po ang kanyang pinakasentro, capital. Yung Dubai po ay tourist capital po yun. Pero dito din ay maraming tourist area, tourist spot na mapupuntahan. Just like what you can see here.
Okay, pakita
Ito
natin.
po ang
Okay.
downtown Abu Dhabi City. At yan po ang kahabaan ng Corniche area niya.
Okay.
And during special holiday like National Day, New Year's Day, ay napaka-alive po ng area na ito.
Okay.
Mayroong fireworks dyan, mayroong
Okay.
mga event dyan, mayroong mga air show.
Okay.
And this area po ay on this side naman papunta na to sa Palace. Yon, Emirates Palace and Presidential Palace tong part na nandito. And narito rin po tayo sa area ng ng Emirates Heritage in which
Ano meron dyan sa loob, Ruda?
on this area,
Okay.
ito po ay sa isang mosque in which meron po siyang katabi ng I think this is the biggest UAE flag
Okay.
all over UAE. And
Okay.
every Emirates meron siyang tigi-isang flag na kagaya ng ganito.
Kasi mix yan, iba-ibang kulay. Iba usually. Okay.
Four color,
Okay.
red,
Okay.
white, black, and green.
Okay, okay.
Yung ganyang flag ay makakita ka rin po sa other Emirates or yung 6 Emirates pa na remaining. Nandiyan din po yung Heritage Village or Museum.
Pupuntahan ba natin yon or hindi na kaya ng oras ano?
Kung titignan natin,
Okay.
we can come inside.
Okay, let's bro. Tell me about this. What's this? Sea or a river or what's this?
This one is sea.
Mhm.
Yan. But I think they developed some island here because marami din sila mga island na talagang natural at meron din namang mga man-made.
Okay.
Eto, diretso na ito sa dagat.
Okay. Ang linaw bro, ang linaw ng tubig guys. Look,
Yes, so,
parang Switzerland lang dito.
malinis dito talaga.
Oo, malinaw ang tubig. Ayan po, kalinaw.
Ganda ang kanilang environment.
So, what's that? Is that Ark of Noah? Noah's Ark?
No, it's their national boat. Doon na tinatawag.
Okay. Parang made of kahoy. Okay, Esta, come to the camera. So, what can you say about Abu Dhabi?
It's amazing, people.
So-
Everything is beautiful here. The buildings, the sea, the water, it's very clean here. It's amazing.
So, are you planning to relocate here?
Yes.
So,
I
Erwin.
would be.
Okay. So, bro.
But still, it's good to retire in Switzerland and the Philippines. But this one is seldom, yeah. Once in a while, 12 times in a year, it's good to stay here or
Okay.
visit here.
Okay. But wait, bro. How do you call these birds here?
During winter or cold weather season, ay may mga ano po tayo dito.
Anong tawag yan? Kalapati ba yan?
Kalapati,
Okay.
other,
Okay.
There are old
Birds.
birds.
Oh!
Dito yan.
Ay, ang galing! Ang galing! Just like in Italy. We have this in Italy. Oh. But
So
wait.
if you have food,
Okay.
makain yung
Corn,
po yan
corn,
and they
okay.
will come to you.
Alright.
Yeah.
So,
And look, they have also paragliding here.
oh, this one is cute. Alright. So, let's see this guy. So, paragliding with a boat. Why is it there is a boat?
And no, it's not a paragliding. It's different one. Parasail.
Parasail.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. How about Bruda when that balloon yeah. Oh. Okay, so exact.
This is a new attraction here in Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
I think just they started just this season.
Because the weather is okay. So what if what is it? Paputukin ko yan.
the
Pag
main
pumutok
line.
yan. How much kaya yan? Ayoko mag-try yan. So
Are you
guys,
afraid of height?
you too? Okay. So let's ikot na mga kaibigan. Tana. Saan tayo pupunta?
Silipin natin dito.
Esta ka.
Yung heritage. Kasi yung heritage nila.
Okay. Heritage.
Makita natin dyan yung mga sinaunang artifacts nila.
Dito ba?
May i-shortcut dito eh.
So guys, pakita natin dito yung dagat dito. Okay. Close up natin to. Rinig niyo yung hampas ng alon. Wait, wait, wait.
Looks like you touched it.
This is the hotel. A restaurant. Which turns around. Okay guys. Lawak na. Hindi tayo kakanan. Bro, pakitanggal mo yung ano mo.
Tayo.
Kakanan. Ayun. Sige.
Ayun, Presidential Palace.
Which one? Ito?
We'll go there.
Yung gold.
Straight lang namin.
Alright.
I think this dome.
Wow.
It's beautiful, no? Advisor Hotel. You know, the architectural design is really,
Amazing.
yeah, Middle East
Taste.
architecture. Ano, yes.
Guys, look gaano kagara ang kanilang Grand Hyatt Hotel dito. At saka yung katabing bronze ba yan ay Bob Alcaz Hotel. Ayan, so ang ganda. Andito tayo sa Abu Dhabi. Kita nyo naman yung lugar dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. At sa harap nito ang President Palace. Esta. Okay. And the biggest flag ever here. Guys, this is the President Palace here in Abu Dhabi. Akyatin natin sa loob mamaya. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung paligid dito. So, here. Here. Sure. Go. Picture. Alright. So we have friends here from Okay. So, okay, so guys. Thank you.
Beautiful. Oh wow. We could do here.
Thank you.
So much. Yeah. Have you been to the mall?
Later. Okay, guys. So guys, pasok tayo dito sa President Palace. Pakita ko sa inyo dito yung loob nito. Ayan siya. Okay. Here. Wow. Pasok tayo dito sa pinakamaganda. Like here. Hello.
My car is down there.
Hello. And there is one.
Maybe. ¿Qué te dijo?
Okay. Grabe yung relos dito, Rolex. Kita niyo? Okay. So, chandelier pa lang.
Canal Sinasa. Yun sinapro.
So guys, look how beautiful is this place. Yeah. First time makapunta.
Pumunta rito, talagang nandito sa Europe.
Siyempre, busy sa work.
Hindi, walang time.
Yan nga, busy. So, chandelier? O chanda? What? Not allowed there? Only here.
Reservation.
It's okay. What's that? Is that okay too?
Okay.
So, ha? Wala? Not Rolex. Ah, yung hotel? Anong
Yung area na yun, only for with the,
booking?
booking or
Ano bang tinatanong?
visitors.
Ah, okay.
Ito yung sa toilet.
Ah, okay. It's okay, bro. Broda, can we have a picture here? Iikot ka ba? Okay, ikot tayo. So, sige, magkwento ka lang na ito ay
Close to Emirates Palace is Sheikh, the president of the Italian is staying here. As you can see, it's grandeur. The leaders of this country meet this place.
yup. So,
Talaga eh.
yup. So.
In 100 meters at the roundabout, take the fourth exit.
They build a new one, huh?
Guys, we are entering now. My goodness. Beautiful place. So, let's become a Muslim now.
And if you get Muslim,
Is this real gold or
I think it's the tip of it or maybe brass. But they said that it's gold.
real gold?
Yeah, they said.
Turn left.
No, don't like. Turn left.
You can drop here. I'll just find parking. Maybe we could spend 15 minutes more here or... Sige bro. Dito. Sige.
Okay, bro.
It's just wow here, everything. We are by the mosque and the building is amazing. We will go enter here to the glass house under the ground and then we will see this amazing building, white and perfect for shooting. Let's see.
Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa glass building na to. Ito kasi kaya kami nandito kasi itong tanging paraan para kami makarating doon, para makarating kami doon sa mosque doon sa kabila na napakaganda. Kasi bawal doon. So ipakita ko sa yung mosque ito. Here. Ito yung pinakamalaking mosque dito. Ayan So hindi kami pwede pumasok doon not unless hindi kami dumaan sa glass building na to kasi sa underground kami dadaan. So Esta, let's go down. So magkalayo itong building na to. So may naghatid sa amin dito. Okay. Kasi dito daw kami sa
Everything is beautiful.
dito kami sa ground ba daan.
Clean. Not safe. It's all.
So, this is a mall. Ah, okay.
They sell there.
Yes.
So, but we need to ask where I have to change my clothes.
So,
So, where is the entrance?
sir, where's the entrance going to the mosque? Straight. Thank you. Or we can go now.
Sorry for error.
Because maybe he's looking for, and we have no time. So guys, nandito kami sa ilalim nito ng Crystal Building para makarating sa mosque. Pero bago doon nakapunta ang babae, kailangan muna nakadress. I think you need to buy. And this one.
Dress plus long sleeve.
Esta, come. Is it okay video?
Yes, but when you arrive at scanning area, stop the video.
Yep, yeah, it's okay. Here we can buy here. Okay. So dito, kailangan. No, it's okay. I guess white.
Yeah, we were.
White. So, bibili muna si asawa ng suot pang Arabic para ay... Yeah, that's okay, Sta. Ha?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, okay. So...
Hello, discount card, discount.
Kasi bawal doon ang pumasok kung hindi nakasuot ang babae ng tamang dress up. Alright. So, mamaya, kita natin.